Man, I wish we had a wishing rock. What is this? Sis, look at this. What is this? Oh, what? This looks like a rock. Yeah. Maybe a wishing rock. Let me try it out. Swear. What is on that? Let me try it out. Oh, Roxa. Yeah, I know Roxa. She's a wizard. I wish I had a green and silver bright because I don't have one. Whoa! This is awesome. Mother, look at this. It's green and silver like I said. This is a wishing rock. Yeah. I wish we had another wishing rock. Huh? Sis, wake up! What? I found it. You know when we wish for another wishing rock? Yeah. It's here. Cool. I wish my sis was awake. Whoa! What just happened? I wish that you were awake. Yeah! Woo! I love being awake. Yay! Not to wish for the other thing. I wish for a cartoon helmet. What's that on your head? Ah! Look! Wait! My cartoon helmet. Can I have your own helmet? Sure, take it. Where is it? Down there. Oh, give me it. Woo! We both got a helmet! Yay! Let's get onto my bike. I need to put my shoes on. So, let's go riding. Oh, I can't. I'm not awake. I wish I'm awake. I'm awake. Can you please do those three? Sis, want one? Sis, here. Yeah, wait. Wait up, sis. I gotta get on. Why do I have to wait up? Why can't I just go and wait out here? I need my helmet. I got no helmet. I got my own helmet. Help! Whoa! Okay. Ow! How do you ride a bike? Like this, sis. How? I don't know how. You get on like this, and then you ride like this. Let me try that. I wish I could ride a bike perfectly. Let's see if it works.